Hi guys. So this morning in class, I did example number 2, and I realized I totally messed it up last night on the video that I made for Edpuzzle. So I thought I'd give you a fixed example number 2, so we weren't watching that whack one. So sorry about that. So here is our situation. Here's our f of x, and I'll put it on red. F of x is the quadratic. And here's g of x at 1. And then we're rotating this about the line y equals 1, which y equals 1 is that horizontal line there. So we have our little dx rectangle. One thing I didn't say earlier, but is very important, is the way that we integrate our little dx rectangle. Notice it needs to be perpendicular to our axis of rotation. So see how this dx rectangle is sticking out perpendicular from this axis of rotation line. Okay, so the height of this little rectangle is a difference in our 2. So f of x minus g of x, that's going to be r. Let me erase that little extra mark. There we go. And so r is that 2 minus x squared minus 1, which gives us 1 minus x squared. So then we integrate, right? We use our area, so we are moving along dx. So down here is -1, up here is 1. Those are our bounds. Pi r squared, and r is 1 minus x squared dx. So the dx turns that area into a volume. The dx is our thickness of each little cylinder. So we need to distribute this out because we can't integrate this without distributing it. There's no x for our u sub, so make sure that we use our algebra. We'll move that pi out in front, -1 to 1, 1 minus x squared, 1 minus x squared. I usually write it out so that I don't make the mistake of leaving things out. So 1 minus 2x squared plus x to the 4th. I have been losing negatives left and right on this today, so I'll try not to lose any negatives here. Now we integrate. Integral of 1 is x. Integral of this is -2x cubed over 3 plus x to the 5th over 5. Evaluated now from -1 to 1. And now we just need to plug in. Pi 1 minus 1 cubed over 3, 1 to the 5th over 5. This is our first one. We're going to subtract from that a -1 minus 2 over 3, -1 cubed, plus a -1 to the 5th over 5. All that's multiplied by pi. Okay, let's go through and simplify some of this. 1 minus 2/3 plus a 5th. I'm going to do this just so I don't make more negative mistakes. -1 plus 2/3 minus 1/5. Okay, and then pi 1 minus 2/3 plus a 5th plus 1 minus another 2/3 plus another 5th. Combine like terms, and like terms mean common denominators. 2 minus 4/3 plus 2/5. And then for this, of course, we need to get our common denominator of 15. So this is 30 over 15, right? Times 5 over 5. This is over 1, so times 15 times 15. This one I did times 5. So we get 20 over 15. And then, of course, here we multiplied by 3, and it didn't love me. Change colors, which then gives us plus 6 over 15. 20 minus 30, 30 minus 20. I can talk. 30 minus 20 is 10, plus 6 is 16 pi over 15. And that should be our correct answer. So hopefully this helps. Sorry about that mistake earlier. And let me know if you guys have any other questions. Thank you so much.